Welcome to Rob Talks. Let's take a look at today's Mayan calendar. Here's the translation for March 15th, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 4 Uinal, and the Tzolk'in. This long count position reflects the stage where energy becomes stronger and more focused. After establishing a direction and structure, the cycle now supports steady progress fueled by determination and commitment. The Tzolk'in is about energy building strength and stability. You're being asked to focus on strengthening your foundations and to commit to long-term goals. This is also a time to take decisive steps forward and to align effort with purpose. Next up is the Tzolk'in calendar, which I'm translating the entire 13-day cycle in another video. If you're interested in seeing it, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 5 Ben. Ben is represented by the reed. It's about leadership, spiritual guidance, the pillar connecting heaven and earth. The number 5 is about empowerment, gathering resources and strength. Together, 5 Ben is a powerful day of inner authority and leadership. Ben represents the sacred reed, a channel between the spiritual and physical realms. Its message is to remind us that true leadership arises through humility, integrity, and alignment with higher wisdom. Paired with the number 5, it gathers the resources and strength needed to move forward confidently. You're being asked to lead through example and integrity, and to offer guidance to others when appropriate. This is also a time to stand firmly in your truth. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. The Hob date is 1 Mal. Mal is associated with water gathering. It's about unity, collective strength, and the gathering of water. Day 1 is about initiation and forward movement within the new cycle. Together, 1 Mal represents the first active day of the new Hob month initiated yesterday. This energy encourages cooperation and collaboration, reminding us that individual efforts become more powerful when joined with others. You're being asked to strengthen connections with others and to support collective healing and growth, also to work together towards shared goals and to share wisdom and resources. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about strengthening momentum, and the Tzolk'in reflects empowered leadership and spiritual alignment. The Hob calendar is about cooperation and unity. This is a day of aligned leadership and purposeful strength, a day to stand in integrity, lead with humility, and to support the collective good. Collectively, this day highlights the importance of conscious leadership. True leadership does not dominate, rather it uplifts, guides, and inspires others to rise together. The energy of Ben resonates with your role as someone helping others, and acting as a pillar of guidance to them. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I lead with humility, integrity, and alignment with higher wisdom. Thank you all for your support.